Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Ultra Hotspot is not working in Samsung Galaxy S21. If you're using Galaxy S21 and you're facing the issue that your hotspot is not working, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing I recommend you have to make sure that you are connecting to internet using your cellular data, not using your Wi-Fi, because sometimes it might be that when you are using your Wi-Fi, you're unable to use your mobile hotspot. This was made in your older version like Android 14 and 13. So make sure that you're connected to mobile data, not Wi-Fi. Now, once you're connected to mobile data, now you can easily use mobile hotspot, or if your data saver is always on, so you're unable to use your hotspot. So click on mobile data here and look for data saver. Make sure that it's turned off. Click on data saver here, turn it off. Now once I've turned off your data saver, now you can easily use your mobile hotspot here. Keep a long press on it to open your mobile hotspot settings. You can adjust your settings here like your name and your password. But if you're still facing the same issue that your mobile hotspot or your hotspot still isn't working, so you can try to make a software update. Go to settings here, and in settings, go to software update and make sure that you're up to date. You might have an impending software update. You can use your Wi-Fi to update your phone or to check for updates here. Now, once you have checked for software updates, you might have an impending software update there, or if you have an impending software update, just download and install it on your phone. Now just go back here and go to connections, look for mobile hotspot here and check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, so you can see that whenever I was using my Wi-Fi, my hotspot isn't working or it's automatically turned off. So you have to use the mobile data here. Or if your Wi-Fi is still not working, so you can go ahead to your security and privacy, look for auto blocker, make sure that it's disabled from here. Once I've disabled the auto blocker, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, just try to make a force restart with your phone. Now for that, you have to press and hold the volume down and your power button at the same time for almost 15 seconds. So let's try this. You have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds here. Very first, you might see the black screen here, and once you see the black screen, you just have to wait for a Samsung logo. And once you get the Samsung logo here, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So it will make a forced restart. You have to wait for a few seconds because the first restart might take more time than usual. So just wait for it. And once your phone has been restarted here, you just have to wait for a few seconds until it's completely refreshed or reload. Just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your hotspot is now working or not. So your issue might have been fixed, and you will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.